In front of me I have a Xiaomi Mi 9T Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to power off the phone by holding the power key. Tap on power off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to hold the power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. And once you see the Mi logo, we can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you will use volume keys to navigate. So volume down to go down and up to go up. And confirm whatever you select with power key. Now there's not many options here. You can basically reboot the device, wipe it, or connect with Mi Assistance, which I'm guessing is the computer kind of program thing. So I'm just gonna, for instance, select reboot here and confirm it like this. And again, you can go back to the main menu, and this is basically for any kind of place you are. So if I would go to wipe data, it would still be the same, apart from the fact that I could just continue with wiping data instead of rebooting. But continuing to reboot, press power key once more, and now the device will leave the recovery mode. And we're now in the normal Android. So that is how you reboot in and out of the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.